Wow, it's freezing cold out here, but the sun's out. So let's have a go at it. Okay, so back under the car, I'm just taking these old hoses off because they're hard as rocks. Good idea with the other side is to slit the top of the pipe with a knife and just cut it down and get it open, rather than chewing the steel pipe up. Doesn't matter because they're rock hard. It's on. I've just got the exit pipe into a can just to sort of, hopefully if there was any thick petrol in the, whatever, old petrol left in the tank, a few litres I put in it to dilute it. Hopefully we'll, oh yep, there we go, ignition on. Yep, it's quietening down, which means it's going. There we go, yeah, that is a bit darker yellow, so. I mean, it looks a bit dark in there because it's sat on the floor. But pump this lot out, put a couple of litres of new stuff in, pump that out again. And then we should have fresh stuff to go through the car. Right, I'll flush through a load of it. You can see that was what came out of the tank. There was probably about 15 litres, or I don't know, well, maybe not much, maybe 10 or so, that was that dark colour. Bear in mind I had put a couple of litres of clean stuff in it. The one in the middle is after I've flushed a bit more through. That one on the end a bit lighter. This is now new fuel. You can see that's almost clear compared to the funnel, compared to that yellowiness. Yeah, compared to that, look. So put some new stuff in there, and now hopefully it should come out reasonably clear, and we'll connect it up. Right, quick demonstration the other way. I know people don't like it, but if you just use a tool or something, flick the points open enough and let them drag back together, so it just sort of pinches it enough, and it'll you can sand it off without trapping the sandpaper in between. And clean them up like that. Right, so hopefully you can try and pump a bit through the line, see if we get some out of there. Oh, yep, there it goes. And yeah, clearish. Let's empty that pot and do another litre. Trying to do this before it gets dark. All the snow's melted. Looking forward to it. Hopefully it will. Hopefully it will start. I have faith in crew. Right, oil is actually quite reasonable, so we'll try and start it. And I have got new filters and oil and stuff. I'll do that when I can get it on the ramp inside. Check the rest. Still, can't pipe back up, so here we go, magic moments. Right, so it's in park, ignition on. Okay, so the snow's melted. It's the next day after lunch and I've managed to get a bit more time. It was my fault being premature, really. I never change the plugs, so let's swap the plugs out and we'll see if it's any better. If not, it will be carb job, I expect. Right, these are the plugs from the left hand side, not looking too clever. And these are the ones on the right hand side. Wow. Okay, let's try it again. Here we go then. Plugs changed. Fuel delivery then, isn't it? Oh well, looks like carburetor's next. Okay, it's 2 days later. It wouldn't do anything and I'd run out of time in the previous bit, so I did take these off and freed the pistons to see if maybe the pistons were sticking, which would give it that symptom of not wanting to rev. So, done that, we'll try it again. If not, it's going to be take the carbs off because the bottom of those look a bit sort of brown in there, you can see. Well, let's see. Maybe I'll undo those dashboard tops. Any more than that, I'm afraid. Okay, so I think maybe the tubes underneath here are blocked up to go from the bowl to the jet. We'll see. Right, well, that fuel way's clear and the fuel can come through, so that's not stopping it. Maybe it's got the remnants of something in it because I took this off yesterday and I mopped that bowl out, so it should have had clean new fuel in it. Well, after all that, cleaning those bits, I'm afraid it still doesn't appear to be any different. Won't catch. I mean, these are coming up, so the needles are moving. There must be fuel getting in there. Telltale is working, it is sparking, but it doesn't seem to want to do anything other than this. So. Not sure. Maybe it's I don't know, cold start, auto choke or something, not right. I'll have to do some homework anyway. I will try and do it in the next couple of weeks. Any hints or tips, feel free to point out what I'm, I don't know, obviously some classic schoolboy error I'm not doing wrong. Alright, catch you soon. Cheer up, won't be long.